Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this session, we will discuss about deemed university round 1 cutoff for 2022 MCC counseling and its comparison with the last year round 1 cutoff. On the screen you can see last year round 1 cutoff in red color and this year round 1 cutoff for deemed universities in blue color. And I'll tell you there is a huge shift is observed in deemed university cutoff this year. Uh, and we will talk about the branch wise analysis. Talking about radiodiagnosis, last year it was available up to rank of 48,000 in the last deemed university. This year it it was it got allotted up to rank of 53,000 and 344. So there is a positive shift by 5,000. Okay, dermatology was available up to 39,000 rank and this year up to 50,000 rank, so it took positive shift by 11,000. So some of the candidates who didn't expect to get a seat might have got the seat this year, and congratulations to all of the candidates who got the seat and they are happy with that. You can also go for upgradation in round 2. We'll explain the rules and all in separate videos. General medicine subject was available up to 49,000 and this year it got up to 58,000 rank. So there are multiple factors behind this positive shift. We had seen in previous videos like positive shift in all India quota, government colleges, DNB, diploma, huge and unbelievable positive shift due to seat increment. Okay, and in deemed also. So in uh, every type of colleges and courses there is positive shift observed this year, and in some of the just clinical subject there was a negative shift in DNB, and EWS had negative shift in some of the subjects, but overall it was positive. General surgery was available up to 73,592 rank last year and this year up to just qualifying, and the candidates who qualified through category only also they got the seat in general surgery. Pediatrics subject was available up to 54,000 rank last year and this year 63,888. So you can see positive shift by around 13,000 in pediatrics, and in general surgery by around 21,000. In Obs and Gynae, it was available up to rank of 62,000 approx last year and took positive shift by around 5,000. Orthopedic was available up to 71,870 and this year up to 98,000. So just qualifying a score, and shift is around 27,000. In respiratory medicine, there is shift of 20,000. ENT from 70,000 approx to 93,000. So it is available up to just qualifying a score. So those who were planning to get the seat through NRI quota, they might have got the seat in management quota itself. Ophthalmology subject was available last year up to 61,000 and this year it's up to 80,000. Radiotherapy, which was available up to 61,000 last year and it is available up to 70,000 this year. There are few colleges only where radiotherapy branch is available. Pathology subject was available up to rank of approx 1 lakh last year and this year it has positive shifts by around 9,000. Psychiatric subject was available up to 66,000 rank and this year up to 82,000. So I believe those who were on the boundary line of the qualifying and could qualify through category, many of them would have got the seat, and those who were planning to get the seat through management quota. Okay, but if you have got the seat in some the clinical branches which you don't like and still you want to get seat in better clinical branches, then you can definitely do the counseling for round 2, and for any kind of support you can contact us, or for paid guidance you can contact us on 9319128677. And you can also try the state rounds, because since there is positive shift in all India, so state will also be following the same trend, because candidates who got the seat from all India, they have, if they join it, okay, they will leave the space for other candidates through state counseling. Okay, so that's all from my side in this video, and we will meet again with some other important data analysis and updates. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.